Giving you another opportunity to get supplies and to deliver supplies. Volunteers are helping more with flood relief efforts all around central Indiana.
And where is Sherman this morning? He is at a shop in Meridian Kessler that's become home base literally for supply donations and neighborhood volunteers.
Here's an effort right here at 52nd and College. It's pretty cool. We're inside a store called the Local Radish. It's a really cool metaphysical shop. We're going to meet the owner here in a second, Britt, and her hubby's here too. But what she's done is pretty amazing because, okay, we have the floodwaters, we see what's happening. Britt says, hey, let's get a call to action. Let's get neighbors involved. Let's do some donation drive to help with some relief. And this is Britt Spencer. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good to see you.
You too, always.
So tell us what's happening with this whole food. I mean, we're in got a room that's full of things that have been donated.
And usually it's very organized and beautiful. Yes, the flood victims needed help, so I asked my husband if he could see if his chief and the fire departments would help take in donations. And we called for the neighbors, and every day we put on a post to see like what we need after we've done the kits and we've taken things out, and the neighbors are meeting us every week or every day with more stuff.
So I saw the post, I saw what you were doing. I'm like, hey, we got to connect, because we reconnect, I should say, for us. And I'm looking around at all the things. So you did a variety of things that you're collecting, depending on where it might be going.
Yes, and it does change daily, you know, just depending on the needs of the public. So we're listening to what they say they need. But for sure, they're needing things to help with the flood, the cleaning, and then the food is something they're really needing at the shelter. So we are making packs for them.
So let me get your hubby Phil in here for a minute, because we're talking about, I think you guys are going to go to Connorsville here coming up.
That's the plan.
Let's talk about firefighters. You're with what fire department?
So I work for Buck Creek Township, but I represent the Hancock County Professional Firefighters.
Gotcha.
So that is Buck Creek, Sugar Creek, Vernon Township, and Greenfield.
Okay, and you guys are really actively involved in this whole
Yeah, just like Britt's got everything set up here in the shop. All 6 of the stations in Hancock County are collecting donations and then filtering to Buck Creek. From there, we're shipping out with trailer and all that, and we're on our way to Connorsville today to drop some stuff off at their expo hall. So.
Yeah, I walked in and you guys said, oh, look at how much stuff is here. You said, oh, this is like...
No, this is nothing.
This is nothing. This is only like low 3 or 4. By the way, you mentioned the little packs. Here's an example of some of the things that you might still need.
Yes. So like ramen, any sort of like snack chip, popcorn, granola bar, or breakfast bar. We have pudding. We have applesauce. We've been putting these, silverware in there for them, so that, and then we even put tea or sometimes like a little juice thing to put in the water, just to give variety and to feel some normalcy in this really terrible time.
Thank you both. Fox59.com has more information actually about the Local Radish, and you can see what's going on with that. We got more coming up at the 9 o'clock hour.